this video I am going to solve these equations using Gauss Elimination Method. First of all, you need to write these three equations in the augmented form. Look at the coefficients x1, x2 and x3. Coefficients are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and the 3 in the same way for the rest. What you need to do here is you need to look into the diagonal of the matrix that should be made 0 in the Gauss Elimination Method. This is the diagonal and the terms immediately below that. And for that you need to do some set of operations. This is called the row operations. For this particular example, you can do R2 equal to R2 minus 4R1. You can do R3 equal to R3 minus 9R1. What is the meaning of that? You are doing this operation on the row 2 to make this term 0, subtracting the 4 times the 1, 4 times the R1 from the R2 will be 0. Similarly, 9 times the 1 from the third row will be the 0. This is the operation. I will write that quickly. First row will remain same. 1, 1 and the 1 and the 3. R2 equal to 4 minus 4 times the 1. In the same way, you can do for 3 minus 4 times 1, 4 minus 4 times 1, 8 minus 4 times 3. Okay, in the same way, you can come to the below this one. R3 equal to 9 minus 9 times 1. 9 minus 9 times 1. Similarly, 3 minus 9 times 1, 4 minus 9 times 1, 7 minus 9 times 3. Substitute that again in the matrix form. 1, 1 and the 1 and the 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 4 3s are 12 minus 8 is minus 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. 9 3s are 27 minus 7 is minus 20. So now we have made these two terms 0. We need to make this term 0. For this you can do this operation. If you look carefully, we can do this operation minus 6R2. I will write it again. So this will be 1 and the 1 and the 1 and the 3 will remain same. Also the second one will remain same. Anyway, if you do this R3 minus 6 times, this will be 0. I will not write it. So now this is minus 6 times the minus 1. In the same way, we'll write this here. Minus 5 minus 6 times the 0. In the same way, we will do minus 20 minus 6 times the minus 4. Simplify this again here. So this will be 1. Okay, this is over. So now we have the last operation to do. You need to write this in the matrix form. What I need to calculate is I need to calculate x1, x2 and the x3. At the right hand side matrix, this you write 3 minus 4 and the 4, and you write the matrix on the left side 0, 0, 0 minus 5. So now what you need to do is you need to do the normal matrix multiplication and calculate for the x1, x2 and the x3 values. If you look, the last row, 0 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus of minus 5 into x3 should be equal to 4. Right? 0 into x1, 0 into x2 plus minus 5 0 x3 should be equal to 4. This is the normal multiplication. This is 0, right? Then this will be minus x3 equal to 4, means x3 should be equal to minus 4 by 5. Now you will use this value for the back substitution. Look at the second row. This will be again 0 into x1 plus of minus 1 into x2 plus of 0 into x3 should be equal to minus 4. So now again this con and this con, and you cannot substitute x3 here. So that's why minus x2 equal to minus 4 means x2 should be plus 4. And similarly 1x1 plus 1x2 plus 1x3 equal to plus 3. I will send x2 and x3 on the other side. 3 minus x2 minus x3. x2 value you already know. Into minus will be plus 4 by 5. If you do cross multiplication, 5 minus, this will be minus 5 plus 4 by 5, or x equal to minus 1 by 5. That's all. That's all. Now you calculated x1 value 2. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.